Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we are doing an installation on a staircase landing, an additional staircase with our square vinyl stair nosings. So as you can see, all of these steps have a nosing on it, but at the landing here, there's like a 90-degree angle. There's no nosing sticking out here because there was carpet in place. We do have an L-shaped nosing that we can make, but the customer wanted consistency with the other square nosings that we're going to be doing. So we're just going to start here by adding a wooden piece here to replicate this nosing. It's very important that vinyl stair nosings, the ones that we make, that they are fully supported. They should never be sticking out without a wood or a platform underneath them, as they are not designed to be holding weight without support underneath. So we're just going ahead here and including some nice long screws to make sure that this is fully secured into the landing. And it's going to create that same nosing shape that we have on the rest of the steps, so that the vinyl is going to be able to go on over and be nice and consistent throughout. So just making sure here that everything is nice and secure. There's no squeaking, there's no bouncing or moving, and then we'll go ahead and get started with the installation. Here at Step Up Vinyl, we make the stair nosings out of flat vinyl plank flooring. So customers like this one had vinyl flooring that they planned to use in the basement, and they wanted it continued up this staircase. And so these nosings that you can see going on here, these were created by us. So we can work with pretty much any vinyl out there to be a perfect match. And the nice thing is it's not just a match of color, it's the same texture, it's the same thickness, and it has the same click on it to be able to click onto any flooring, as you'll see when we get up to the landing above. Vinyl is also just such a wonderful product to use on your stairs, with it being a waterproof product and scratch resistant. So a lot of customers have already chosen it for their flooring above or below. And what we do, we make it possible to continue up the stairs. So you can see the installation process going nice and quick here. Obviously, everything was cut to size in advance. We're adding PL premium adhesive, and then we are getting everything put into place. We're now getting up to the top here. This nosing going into the landing often has some little cutouts in it. We generally suggest that you use a piece of cardboard in its place to figure out the side before making the cuts. And then you're able to, this is what I was talking about here, simply click on the way you would normally with your vinyl plank flooring to continue on for the landing. We are adding a little bit of the PL premium adhesive onto this to ensure that that nosing is staying solid and in place, as this is quite a small area for the landing. Some vinyls like this one have some variation in color, as you are seeing. Not all of them do, but this gives it a nice real wood authentic finish that's there. We're also continuing with the staggered look to match the flooring that would be going down below the staircase. Obviously the boards are long enough to go straight across, but when we install it this way, we find it just gives it a much nicer finish. And then we're going to continue on to these top 3 stairs once that flooring is tight and in place. You will see at the very top there is a tile slate floor in place up top, and the customer is not replacing it. So when we get to the end, you will see we are not putting a nosing on at the top. They have decided to use a small metal nosing for that transition. Every customer is different, and obviously we're going to do what makes them happy. But the vinyl is just going to give us a really nice finish on each and every one of the stairs and all the way down onto the flooring below. So getting these last nosings nice and secure. The PL Premium takes about 24 hours to fully set. So after it's been installed, we want to make sure we're not walking on it any more than we need to. And when you are standing on it, that you're standing straight up and down. So we'll get this last riser in place, and then we'll show you the finished product. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up if this video has helped. You can check us out at stepupvinyl.ca if you're interested in getting some nosings made or having us come out to do an installation. And please, please, please hit that subscribe button and check out our channel, where you can see lots of tips and tricks, slower videos, detailed DIY instructions if you were wanting to do this or install this yourself. We'll see you in the next video.